the one that I partnered with Emperador Brandy. The way I got inspired to do that is I actually really drank the brandy. I drank it and I took the afternotes of the brandy itself. So I could taste the almonds, I could taste the honey, I could taste like a lot of like the undertone, and that's what I used. That's why if you taste our ice cream, it's very similar to the afternotes of the brandy itself. So that's why I used almonds in the ice cream itself, and I tried to mimic the taste of the honey so that you can really like taste the actual brandy in the ice cream when you eat it. So in order to make it more luxurious, we added like apricots and pistachios because that just really connotes something that's very sophisticated. It's very more of the holiday season. So and it reflects the deluxe brandy. So that's how I kind of created it. I wanted the ice cream to reflect the holidays. I wanted it to reflect the afternoons of the brandy itself, but also still have an overall feel of Emperador Deluxe. So that's how I was inspired to create it as it is right now.